If you're a cat lover, you won't believe this. Cats can sprint faster than Usain Bolt. These little furry speedsters can reach up to 30 miles per hour in short bursts. Imagine that. Your kitty is like a mini cheetah on caffeine. But wait, there's more. Those adorable whiskers? They're not just for tickling your face at 3 a.m. Cats use their whiskers like built-in radar sensors to navigate in the dark. They can sense objects and even changes in air currents. So, next time you see your cat zooming around the house at lightning speed, just remember, you've got a little Usain Bolt with whiskers on your hands. Isn't that positively amazing? Stay tuned for more fun facts, animal lovers.